What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Today is September 23rd, Thursday, and on this post, I will be talking about Bitcoin. I will also go into a technical analysis for Dogecoin, see where both of these markets are. I will be concentrating on Bitcoin first because Bitcoin will affect a lot of the crypto markets, including a lot of the altcoins. Now, before I begin today, please do read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor, nor this is financial advice. I do have quite a bit of the altcoins. So please do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market. I am only sharing with you guys my speculations and opinions. This market is extremely risky and volatile, so do your own due diligence. Now, if you guys do want to support me and my channel, you guys can sign up using my affiliate links in the video description section below. I do have affiliate links to crypto.com, Webull, and TradingView. You guys should get a bonus when you guys successfully sign up, and I would most likely get a bonus too if you guys sign up using my affiliate link. So I would truly appreciate that. Now let's go ahead and begin. Let's take a look into Bitcoin right now. First, Bitcoin right now is bouncing back from earlier this week since it has reached below 40K. Now, I have made a video yesterday and said that on the 4-hour time frame there, I can see more noticeably a falling wedge pattern, which is generally a bullish pattern for Bitcoin. Now, I do have an opinion on this market, and I am bullish on this market currently still, right? Because what I'm looking at, aside from this bullish reversal pattern here for Bitcoin, I am seeing the main thing I want to note is that there has been two waves for each of these bull cycles here, right? And we have seen from the past data here that there has been two waves. However, for the time being, we only see one wave right now on the monthly RSI, and that is the main indicator I am looking at. So, my take on this is if I am expecting a second wave, then this market is still on its way back up. Of course, I said yesterday there are some factors that could change my opinion and decrease the probability of this bull cycle continuing. And of course, I would still be looking out for if Bitcoin get weekly candle closes below this weekly 21 SMA. In my opinion, that could not be a good sign. And I think if the weekly candle actually closes below the weekly 21 SMA, that would decrease the probability of this bull cycle continuing. And of course, if Bitcoin actually gets weekly candles below the white line here, which is the weekly 50 SMA, then that would significantly change my opinions, because assuming that if we get weekly candle closes on Bitcoin here below each of these major moving averages, I would assume that if even the price action was to get back up on top of some of these weekly moving averages, hypothetically, if it breaks down below them, then it could take a couple of weeks for the price action to get back up above them, even if they are to break back up above them. So I would not like to see any weekly candle closes below these major weekly moving averages here. And of course, as I keep reiterating, that Bitcoin does affect most of the markets here. So I will be keeping an eye out on this first over any altcoin setups. Now let's go over to Bitcoin dominance, as I have also highlighted yesterday that seeing new lows here would confirm my bullish opinion on the altcoins here, right? Because if Bitcoin dominance actually goes down, this tells me that either if Bitcoin dominance goes down and Bitcoin does not fall, then that means altcoins are actually going to be outpacing Bitcoin. So it is good to actually see. I think it's a good signal to see Bitcoin dominance continues to make new lows. Right now, I do see bullish divergence on Bitcoin dominance here. after the weekly candle closed at about 40%, right? That is lower than the previous low here from back in May. But we are getting bullish divergence here, so some type of bounce, which has been happening for the past couple of days. That was not unexpected, but I would like to see new lows. That would be the confirmation I'm looking for to see if the altcoins will continue to outpace Bitcoin. Of course, all depends on if Bitcoin actually does not dump, right? So let's go back into Bitcoin right now on the 4-hour time frame. Falling wedge pattern, generally bullish pattern. On the daily time frame here would be my next focus because we're seeing quite a bit of these daily moving averages. Well, we're actually below all daily moving averages right now. And if Bitcoin was to actually break out of this falling wedge pattern, it does need to break back above some of these key daily moving averages here. So on the 4-hour time frame, I see the falling wedge pattern. However, price action does need to get back on top of some of these daily moving averages here. So that is something to be that I'll be keeping an eye out on. Now let's go over to Total 3 real quick. So this is another chart I've been studying recently because I do want to see altcoins separate from Ethereum. Right now, I do see a possible cup and handle or a ascending triangle pattern that could be forming. So it looks like, well, for the past 3 weeks, right, including this week, so not the past 3 weeks, so about almost 3 weeks here, we have been pulling back in terms of the altcoins here. Price action did get support from the 3-day 21 SMA here, right? And it does look like it's forming some type of either a cup and handle or an ascending triangle pattern. Both are very similar patterns anyways. So if the price action does break out of this pattern, I would expect more upside as well. So this is going to be the next chart I'll be keeping an eye out on. Let's dive right into Dogecoin. I'm going to keep it short here because I think most, if not all, altcoins are going to be dependent on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to affect quite a bit of the markets. So, I'll be looking out for anything that happens over at Bitcoin first. I don't own any Bitcoin, but that is basically the major factor that affects most of the markets, if not all. So I'll look at Bitcoin first before actually taking a look into any specific altcoin setups. On Dogecoin here, I do see a double bottom. I don't think that is a falling wedge pattern because I just can't connect, 3 points here without seeing outliers on some of the major time frames. So on the weekly time frame, I think this simplifies it, and I see a double bottom pattern for Dogecoin with the neckline to be about 35.5 cents. Okay, measured move is going to be about 56 cents. That's the measured move if price action does break out of this double bottom pattern. Now, measure moves are theoretical moves only, okay? The actual move could be more or could be less. So something to be keeping in mind. That's what I'm seeing for Dogecoin. I don't have any Dogecoin right now, but I'll be open to trading it depending on the setup. Comparing to other altcoins, I'll be looking at if I do have cash on the sidelines, but right now, I'm not really trading Dogecoin right now, and I don't have any Dogecoin. So that's basically what I'm seeing currently for Dogecoin. Let's take a look into the monthly RSI here. So it could, it has not had the second wave like Bitcoin just yet. So it kind of looks like the Bitcoin cycle right now in the monthly RSI. So that's basically what I'm looking at. Now, Dogecoin is underneath quite a bit of some of these major moving averages on the weekly time frame. the 3-day time frame as well as the daily time frame. So quite a bit of resistance to get back above on before getting out of this double bottom pattern. So this is my very quick analysis on the overall markets, Dogecoin, and the altcoin markets in general. So I hope you guys found this helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did, and I'll see you guys in the next video.